GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, do all of that. And below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram, and if you want to speak with me, you can book one-to-one consultation here. So click on this link and then go and follow the instructions. And you want swing trading robot, go and check this out. Check out these links in your free time. Join free Telegram and join, subscribe, blah blah blah. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Rejection and the red candle. Okay, coming back to daily, we have this down move already and we have a blue candle on Friday. Okay, that's not good, right? Coming back to 4-hour, we still are this was your double top, we collapsed, and now we are waiting either for a breakout towards the upside or downside. Tell me, what do you think what's going to happen? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? What do you think? You can maybe leave in the comments. But if you want to know me, if you want to know from me, not everything for free. Okay, go and book consultation with me if you want to know exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so for now, again, this Euro USD, GBP USD, they mostly work together. Okay, they move together. And rejection has come, as you can see. So we have to go back to Delhi again. Down move is this. And coming back to 4-hour again, for 4-hour, you either, wait for the breakout towards either side, up or down. But if you want to take my guess, not guess, but my analysis, then you can book consultation. Subscribe, like, and share, join these things. And free Telegram, join it. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.